What are the wealthy really doing with their money in 2025? You'll be shocked by the hidden habits and secret strategies they're using to build massive wealth. Fast. And the best part? You can start today, absolutely free. Don't miss your chance to get ahead. Keep watching to unlock the blueprint the rich don't want you to know. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. It's Jake here, and I'm pumped to have you join me as we dive into the world of building real wealth in 2025. Here, we break down money moves and investment strategies that actually work. No jargon, just real talk to help you take control of your financial future. Just the other day, I saw a stat that blew my mind. Over 60% of new millionaires in 2025 are building wealth with assets most people overlook. That's why today I'm revealing the 15 assets and strategies you need to know, whether you're just starting out or leveling up your portfolio. Stick around because at the end, I'll share a little-known tip that could change the way you build wealth forever. Let's get into it. Let's kick things off with a classic, one of the cornerstones of wealth building for generations. We're talking about an asset class that has proven its resilience and potential for long-term growth. A tangible investment that provides both security and opportunity, real estate. It's more than just bricks and mortar, it's a strategic investment that can shape your financial future. Real estate isn't just about buying a home, it's about acquiring an asset that can appreciate over time, providing a solid foundation for your financial portfolio. It's about building equity, that difference between what you owe and what your property is worth. As you pay down your mortgage and the property value increases, your equity grows, creating a valuable asset. Generating rental income, a consistent stream of revenue that can cover your mortgage payments, property taxes, and even provide additional cash flow. And leveraging appreciation. As the value of your property increases over time, you build wealth without even lifting a finger. Strategic renovations can further boost this appreciation. Even with market shifts, the inherent value of land and shelter tends to provide a buffer against economic downturns. Property often outpaces inflation and holds value. It's a tangible asset that you can see, touch, and even improve, offering a sense of security in an ever-changing world. In 2025, we're seeing some exciting trends shaping the real estate landscape. Tech and remote work are influencing where people choose to live and work, creating new opportunities for investors. Are changing which markets are hot, with suburban and even rural areas experiencing a surge in demand as people seek more space and flexibility. But the fundamentals remain. The need for housing and commercial space will always be present. People need places to live, a basic human requirement that underpins the stability of the real estate market. And work. Businesses need offices, retail spaces, and warehouses to operate, driving demand for commercial real estate. Leverage is a huge advantage. It allows you to amplify your returns and build wealth faster. You can control a big asset with a small down payment. This means you can benefit from the appreciation of the entire property, even though you've only invested a fraction of the total value. Rental income provides steady cash flow, helping you cover expenses and build a passive income stream. And there are tax benefits too. From mortgage interest deductions to depreciation, real estate offers numerous opportunities to reduce your tax burden. The right property in the right market, acquired at the right price, can be a game changer for your financial future. Can set you up for decades of passive income, providing financial security and freedom and appreciation. Real estate offers a unique combination of cash flow, equity building, and long-term appreciation, making it a powerful tool for wealth creation. Next up, stocks. Owning shares gives you a stake in the world's biggest businesses, and historically, stocks deliver strong long-term returns. Picking individual stocks is risky, so diversification is key. Index funds let you own pieces of hundreds of companies in one investment, smoothing out the ups and downs. Many stocks pay dividends. Reinvesting them supercharges your returns. Let compounding work its magic. For steady growth and long-term wealth, a solid stock portfolio is essential in 2025. Bonds are often overlooked but crucial for a balanced portfolio. They're loans to governments or corporations that pay you interest, offering stability, not just growth. In uncertain markets, bonds cushion volatility from stocks and real estate. A mix of treasuries, municipal, or corporate bonds can give your portfolio the ballast it needs. Bonds provide predictable passive income, great for regular cash flow or retirement. Don't underestimate bonds. They protect and grow your wealth when markets get rocky. Now let's talk about cryptocurrencies, the revolutionary digital assets that are reshaping the financial landscape. These decentralized currencies operate on blockchain technology, offering a new paradigm for transactions and investments. Crypto is volatile, a characteristic that both attracts and deters investors. The market can experience dramatic price swings in short periods, influenced by factors ranging from regulatory announcements to social media sentiment. But it's also where innovation and potential upside live. The underlying technology, blockchain, is constantly evolving, leading to new applications and opportunities for growth. This dynamic environment fosters creativity and attracts forward-thinking individuals and companies. Bitcoin, Ethereum, the two giants of the crypto world, and other digital assets are evolving, constantly adapting to market demands and technological advancements. New projects and protocols emerge regularly, expanding the possibilities within the crypto ecosystem, with new applications emerging all the time from decentralized finance, DeFi, to non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and beyond. These innovations are transforming industries and creating new ways to interact with digital assets. Prices swing wildly, reflecting the inherent risks and uncertainties associated with this nascent asset class. So only invest what you can afford to lose. It's crucial to approach crypto investments with caution and a clear understanding of your risk tolerance. A small crypto allocation can diversify your portfolio, adding exposure to a potentially high-growth sector that is largely uncorrelated with traditional assets, and offer high-growth potential, although this comes with increased risk. The potential for significant returns is a key driver for many crypto investors. Start with major coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum, which have established track records and greater liquidity. Learn about blockchain, the technology that underpins all cryptocurrencies, to gain a deeper understanding of their functionality and potential. And follow trends like DeFi, which is revolutionizing traditional financial services by offering decentralized alternatives. For those who understand the risks and are willing to do their research, crypto can be a valuable part of your wealth-building toolkit, offering the potential for long-term growth and diversification. But remember, knowledge and caution are your best allies in this exciting yet unpredictable digital frontier. Want real estate exposure without being a landlord? Try REITs. REITs let you invest in portfolios of properties, residential, commercial, even data centers, via your brokerage account. They're liquid, easy to buy and sell, and pay out significant dividends. In 2025, REITs offer more diversity than ever. You get the benefits of real estate, income, appreciation, diversification, without the headaches. REITs deserve a spot in your portfolio. Exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, are the Swiss Army knives of investing. With one purchase, you get instant diversification across hundreds of stocks or bonds. ETFs are low-cost, easy to trade, and cover every sector and risk level. In 2025, the ETF landscape is more robust than ever. Most have rock-bottom fees, so more of your money stays invested. If you want broad market exposure and simplicity, ETFs are a must. Mutual funds are the original hands-off investment. Pool your money with others, and a professional manager handles the rest. Perfect for those who want to invest regularly without the hassle of picking individual assets. There are mutual funds for every strategy and risk level. If you want to build wealth over time without constant monitoring, mutual funds are a solid choice. Gold and precious metals have always been a store of value. When markets get shaky or inflation rises, investors turn to gold, silver, and platinum. In 2025, precious metals add important diversification and hedge against downturns. You can invest directly or through ETFs and mining stocks. Use gold to balance risk and add resilience to your strategy. Let's talk about intellectual property, patents, copyrights, and trademarks. These assets generate income from ideas, inventions, or creative works. Think royalties from books, music, or software. The digital economy is booming, and IP can provide recurring revenue streams. Intellectual property often requires upfront effort, but pays off for years. If you have a unique idea or creative skill, don't overlook IP as a wealth-building asset. Protect your work and let your ideas work for you. Owning a business or investing in one is a fast track to wealth. Start your own company or buy into an existing venture for cash flow and appreciation. In 2025, tech and remote work make starting a business more accessible than ever. You can also invest in private companies or franchises. The right business can provide income, tax benefits, and big upside if you sell. For many, it's the most rewarding asset of all. Don't forget about high-yield savings accounts. They offer liquidity and safety. Your money is protected and accessible for emergencies. With rising interest rates, returns are better than we've seen in years. Perfect for emergency funds or short-term goals. Having cash on hand gives you flexibility and peace of mind. Make a high-yield savings account a priority in your financial plan. Collectibles blend passion with profit. Art, coins, watches, trading cards, and more. The market is more accessible than ever, but it's volatile and requires specialized knowledge. Focus on quality and rarity. The best pieces appreciate steadily, especially in uncertain times. If you have an eye for value and a passion for collecting, this asset can add diversity and excitement to your portfolio. Private equity lets you invest in private companies for higher returns but with higher risk and less liquidity. In 2025, more platforms are opening up private equity to investors. The upside can be huge if you back the right company. Due diligence is critical, and your money may be locked up for years. Start small, diversify, and understand the risks. For those willing to take the plunge, private equity can be a game changer. Peer-to-peer lending lets you act as the bank, lending money directly to individuals or small businesses for interest. Platforms make it easy, and returns can be attractive. But there's always risk of default. Diversification is key, and these loans aren't insured. You control which loans to fund based on your risk tolerance. If you want alternative income and diversification, P2P lending is worth exploring. Last, but not least, invest in yourself. In 2025, your skills are your ticket to opportunity. Every new skill opens doors to higher income, better jobs, and new business ideas. Unlike other assets, no one can take your knowledge away. Here's the truth. Building wealth isn't about being perfect. It's about taking consistent action, one step at a time. You don't need to master every strategy overnight. Just pick 2 or 3 approaches from today's video that really speak to you, and start there. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time, it's right now. So which asset are you starting with? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to hear your plan. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for weekly strategies to help you grow your wealth. At Zero to Wealth, we don't just dream about financial freedom, we build it, one asset at a time.